Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're doing some assembly today instead of disassembly, which is nice. I'm hoping to get some of the wheel hubs put back together, maybe put the front hubs together today. I got a couple things to do. I still need to get, actually today we need to get these tires down to the shop and get these tires changed on. I'm changing the tires on the GTR because the ones that are on the GTR now are, I believe they're R888s, and they're great for the track, but they're extremely loud on the road when you're driving. So I'm going to take these off. We're going to save these for the track. Yeah, they're the R888s. And like I said, they're awesome for the track. Lots of grip. But we don't drive the car very often. Mike doesn't drive it very often because it is pretty loud on the road. So we're going to get these changed out today as well. I'm going to get them down and get those tires put on and get that changed. But first, we're going to see if we can get some assembly done. I'm excited because I like putting stuff together rather than taking it apart. So we're going to, I'm going to get stuff organized here and we'll start putting some stuff together. I hit bottom. So we got the new bearings pressed in, which is nice. They're ready to rock and roll. All right. Here we go. So now, got to get these ring clips in. Go grab a pair of, see what I got here. Grab a pair of pliers. So, coming along, you'll notice my OCD wouldn't even let me put in the old crappy bolts. I had to go out and get black. I want to get the same black as the shields, just so that it all match. But this is real easy, guys. So I've pressed in the bearing. I put those ring clips in there. The front part, I got to put these seals in. So these seals are going to go like so. I'll get those in, and we'll press the hubs in. I'll show you what's going on with the back side here. So I'll show you guys this seal, this big lip on the outside, that's going to come to the outside, right? So that when we put that on, the hub, it's going to seal all the way around, stop all the dust from getting in there. Alright, so those seals are in now. Back plates are on. I'm going to go over. I'll press these hubs in. You see, pull these guards out now. There's that one. There's that one there. Yeah, so I'll go over, I'll press these in, and then we'll continue going on them. And that's two. Let's get back over to the bench and we'll finish up the backside here. Show you how the backside's done. Okay, so like I said, we've got the hubs assembled, all brand new. Everything's in there, which is nice. Okay, but we're gonna finish up the back side. So the back side, this is where the ABS goes in. So this is an ABS ring. So that there, again, I'm gonna have to press on. I'm probably just gonna use a hammer and tap that on there. And that goes down inside here. It's where your ABS goes, and it reads this as it's spinning around. So that's gonna go on there. I actually don't think I'm even gonna need to beat those on there, because all that goes on here now, that goes in there, that one goes in there, and then the nuts go on. So all we gotta do now, slide these bolts on, tighten them down. That's gonna tighten them down and kind of pull those into place where they need to be. The one thing I am gonna do before I do that, this is now, so because inside of here you've got your ABS and it's spinning around, it's always a good idea. This obviously has grease on it. I'm gonna put some more grease on it. I always use the grease for the sliders on brakes. A little bit heavier duty. It's meant for some heat. It lets the read through. I wouldn't use just normal everyday grease. I mean, it'll work no problem, but I'm just gonna slather this on here. That's it. They're all assembled, ready to go. Now, don't forget the new dust seals. New black caps. One last thing, just to keep the dust out. All right, so there it is. All brand new seals, fully assembled, like brand spanking new again, right back to the dust cap on the back. Everything's looking mint. So I'm gonna put them aside, make sure that they don't get dinged up. And now when we start putting it together, but she's ready to rock and roll. I'm actually upset. Like I had to redo these. I don't know if I showed you guys, but like I had to redo these guards, and on this side here, right? That's the way it's supposed to look. And this one here had a repair, and that wasn't from us. That was from, it was already on the car, like a repair like that. Now it's still super solid, but I mean, I powder coated them because I can't buy these anymore, and I wanted to make sure we reuse them for the cooling, for the brakes and whatnot. But super happy. There it is. It's all back together. It's the first parts that we've put back together, so I'm excited. I like putting stuff together instead of taking it apart. Hands are still nice and clean instead of covered in grease, taking stuff apart. But that'll be it for today's video, guys. Like I said, I'm going to do some cleaning today and get the rims changed on the GTR. But for those of you that are new to the channel, the brakes that we just did are for a Veilside 4509 GTR. So all of these parts on the counter that you see, and all those parts over there on that table, they're for a 1997 Toyota Supra that we are putting a Veilside 4509 body kit on. This is the 2J that's going in it. The short block's been assembled, the head's been put on. Over here we've got the rest of the interior. The seats, that's all the old suspension stuff. This is part of the body kit. And these are all the new front cradles, the rear sub-assembly, the gas tank protector, all that stuff there. We all had it powder coated so it looks like brand new. We're going to be putting about $100,000 into the car, and when it's done, we are giving it away to one lucky subscriber. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your chance to win it. Like us on Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.